types of programs, and how do we make sure that the effects of these are long-term in our country?
Maybe let's have Chief Ellen answer that question.
Thank you so much for the questions, and I am so glad that you asked this that concerns you young journalists, because they said that the youth is the hope of the fatherland. So, your role as journalist, as young as you are, as innocent as you are there as our catalyst to impart the information not only to your siblings, to your younger brothers and sisters at the grade levels in your schools, but of course to your parents, your sisters, and entire community. So your duties as young journalists, whatever you have gained, the insights, the knowledge, and the skills that your teachers are honing you, especially in the integration of the preventive drug education program. We have the comprehensive sexuality education, in which many of our parents say, wag natin babanggitin yan sa mga learners. But because of the technology, we would like to address the need of the learners as early as grade 1 or even kindergarten or even the preschool, asking about what are transpiring in their bodily changes because part of the growth and development. So young journalists will be the catalyst to let them also explain to their younger siblings on the effect or the importance of this comprehensive sexuality, preventive drug education program, and of course in the preparation for the PISA. Although it is every 3 years, but you, especially now, if you are not a recipient of that PISA, if you are a grade 7 now, you have still the chance, you will be in grade 9, 10. You're in grade 10 because every 3 years now, sabi ni Sir Jonathan. So, you prepare yourselves as early as grade 1. Sasabihin mo sa mga kapatid mo, huwag lang yung ipag-aralan yung mga competencies doon sa grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10. But dito na sa kindergarten, we will start the competency in reading and numeracy because it is the most important instrument in the PISA. Thank you so much.
Alright, we still have last 5 minutes, so maybe we can entertain last